In this video, I'll show you how to treat Clear Bean on Android step by step method. Help you get unlimited money, unlimited armor, and easy gameplay in this video. So watch the video from begin to end. Right here, I'll show you on the left hand corner that the bullet are switching. Guys, I'm playing with that bullet arc right here. So I'll show you how to download this bullet arc right now. So first, make sure you hit that like button right now. So click on the like button to like this video. So I'll show you now how to download this bullet arc right on the screen. Download Killer Bean with our weapon unlocker link. So when you click on that link in my comment section, yes guys, that link in my comment section. Now you're going to click on download on this page right now guys. You're going to tap on download. Now the file going to load up right over here. Click on download again. Now you're going to click on download file details. Click on details. Right over there, you're going to see that your Killer Bean is download. Right, I'm pointing. Yes, that is the file, guys. So you're going to wait on it till it finish download right now. Yes, as you can see, it's almost finished, guys. Soon as it finish, I will show you another trick to use. So do not skip the video, so you don't miss out on the important details, guys. Do not skip the video, please. Yes, if you skip the video, you're going to miss out on the important instructions, so do not skip it. So watch it till the end, so you're going to get it 100%. So wait until it complete right now, guys. So right here it finished download from that process that I showed before. Now you're going to click on that files right now. Click on it and install. So you're going to tap on install now, guys. Now you're going to see the file is installed in. So I am waiting on it until it complete, guys. So wait on it till you see it done are open. So I'm going to wait on this file until it. So I'll tap on open right now. Tap on open. Now you're going to see this app is loading up now, everyone. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly for me. So this is the app is open. Yes, the Killer Bean Unleash app loading up right now. So let's see. So right here now, I want to turn on the permission. So every app that you download, you know that you have to turn on permission for them to work. So I'm waiting on this permissions icon to load up. Simple, well, I find the permission for Killer Bean Unleashed. So I'm going to turn on it to blue. So click on the permission to blue now. Now we can now enjoy our gameplay right now, everyone. Now we can enjoy your gameplay. Yes, I finished download that Killer Bean Unlimited Life app from that website that I put in my comment section now, guys. Going to do, guys, go to store to purchase weapon first. Guys, before you select any map, go to store to purchase this weapon automatic own now. After that, we're going to select map that we want to play. What is no level? Now we're going to select any map that you want to play. Now guys, as you can see, select mecha level 1. See that your weapon is switching. So as you can see, I am switching the weapon, guys. So you are Killer Bean Unleashed, guys. So if this video help you, comment Killer Bean in the comment section right now.